If you live in Illinois, you've got a chance to get back the money that you owe on state taxes this year. As an example, let's say that you owe $3,000 in Illinois tax. You've really got two options, and now pick the one that's best for you. Would you rather write a check to Illinois and send in $3,000, which is fine and good, or would you rather pay zero to Illinois and write a check for $4,000 to your favorite school? Well, thanks to a short-term program through the Invest in Kids Act, Illinois is giving you that option to get 75% of the money that you give to a qualified school back to you. Now, you might be wondering, I don't work for a school and I don't work for Illinois. I'm just a guy who's part of a tax planning firm and a wealth management firm who wants more people like you to know about this because it's rare and it seems like a great benefit. I want people to win, I want the schools to win, and most importantly, I really want the kids in those schools to win. So back to what this is. For every $1,000 you give to a qualified school, you get $750 back on your taxes. And this is way better than a typical deduction because with Invest in Kids program, they offer a 75% income tax credit to the individuals and businesses. So if that doesn't make sense, here's a quick example. Usually when you give charitably, you get to deduct it on your federal taxes, and then you get somewhere between, it could be 10 to 30% or 35% back to you. With a credit, it's like you're getting 2 or 4 times the benefit with your giving because you're getting 75% back. Now, paying taxes to Illinois is fine and it's good, but if there's a school that you like, whether it's the Field School in Oak Park or Fenwick or Wheaton Academy, or there's really thousands of others that qualify for this, then think about the Invest in Kids Act to possibly maximize the benefit of your giving. So if you're thinking that if you're thinking of someone that you know, share this with them because we should really be telling as many people as we can about this because we only have until December 31st for it to work for this year. So really next steps are look into the Invest in Kids Illinois, Google it. What you'll find out pretty quickly is there's not a lot of great explainer videos out there on how to actually do it. So I'm gonna record my screen and show you the exact steps to follow so that I can make it super easy for you. If you're interested, then here are 2 ways to make sure that you don't miss that video. I haven't recorded it yet, but I'm going to, and I'm actually in the process of giving to a school through the Invest in Kids Illinois. So the 2 options are go to YouTube and search either Streamline Financial and then subscribe so that you don't miss it because I'm going to put the video there. Or a more direct way is go to davezoller.com/kids and then I'll give you an email. I'll put the video directly in an email to you. And don't worry, I'm not going to add you to some spam list or share your email or anything like that. I just want the schools to benefit. I want you to benefit on taxes and I want those kids to benefit. So I hope you're as excited as I am for this. If you are, then go to those 2 places, Streamline Financial on YouTube or davezoller.com/kids, and then I'll send that video to you. Have a great rest of your day.